In a dihybrid cross, capital A, capital B with small a, small b, the F2 progeny of capital A, capital B, capital A, capital B, small b, capital A, small a, capital B, and capital A, small a, capital B, small b occurs in the ratio of dash. So what will be the answer? Saying capital A, capital B crosses with small a, small b. Now when these are the parents, then the gametes will be capital A, capital B, only this option is there, and from here the gamete will be small a, small b. The F1 generation we will get it as capital A, capital B, small b. Now doing self cross, like how Mendel did, will be capital A, capital B. Now we have to cross these two using the Punnette square. We'll use the gametes from this parent on this axis, so we will get the combinations, one as capital A, capital B, then capital A, small b, then small a, capital B, and finally small a, small b. Since it's self cross, on the other axis also we'll get the same combination of gametes from the second parent also. So we'll write here as capital A, capital B, capital A, small b, small a, capital B, and at last small a, small b. Now close the square, divide them into rows so we can cross it, and the F2 offsprings will come within this square. First we'll cross the first rows, so we will get here as capital A, capital B, then capital A, capital B, small b, then capital A, B crossing with small a and capital B, so we'll get capital A, small a, capital B, then capital A, small a, capital B, small b, and then the process continues with every row. We'll cross these gamete options with the other axis gametes. Capital A, capital B. Now we have to find all these genotypes, how many number has come in this Punnette square. The first is capital A, capital B. Here there is 1. And when we scroll through all this, there is no more of that type of genotype. So there is only 1. We'll write it down here, capital A, capital B, and only 1. The second what they are asking is capital A, capital B, small b. That how many have come inside this Punnette square. We'll count it. Here 1 is there, so that's 1. We'll circle it. This is the second one. Only 2 are there, so we will write it 2. The third what they are asking is capital A, small a, capital B. We'll write it down here and count how many we have got it inside the square. Here 1 is there, 1, and that's the second one. No more available, so we'll write down that 2 over here. Next in line comes capital A, small a, capital B, small b. In the first row itself, capital A, capital B, small b is there, so that is 1. This is the second one. This is the third one, and this is the third one, fourth one, and so we will write here as 4. So the ratio is 1:2:4, and this is the answer, that is answer B.